Another late night, another early morning. Right now, I wouldn't have it any other way. Arguably, I am working on my most ambitious project yet. Now, over the years, I've worked on a lot of big projects. Failed a lot of times, succeeded a lot of times, but this one just feels different. I have a different kind of connection, a different kind of synergy with this one. There's more hope because it's kind of like so much bigger and so changing in so many more ways than most people would want. And I'm excited to get it going. So it is a Shopify project. Now, we've gone ahead, we've sourced and created products for it. We've gone and done all the packaging. We've gone and built the site for it. We're finalizing all the ads now, working with a huge range of UGC creators for that, as well as just our own ad strategies and own ad team and knowledge and whatnot. So it's a huge cooking pot. A lot of money's been invested into it, and excited now to just get it off the start line, get it out there. And now, like with any, drop shipping, e-com project, it's not something I want to talk about too much in terms of what it is, but what I do want to talk about is how it's happened, how it's built, what kind of work it took, how to do that work, and how to do each step of the way to a high level. So that's what I want to help you guys with this little, documenting the build series, because, Siri just thought I was talking to him. No, I'm not talking to you. But yeah, so that's kind of the plan with this. I want to talk about that, mix it in with just my general life out here. But anyway, I kind of feel like doing something touristy today. So let me go be a little tourist for a while. Let me refresh my mind, and let's see where we go. So now another project that I've got in the works is, a little bit of history about this one. So the reason we first made Etsy Mafia in 2022 was because we wanted to work with more people. And it kind of just sprouted from that idea of meet new people, work with new people. And over the years, we built up a lot of successful business relationships with a lot of people from there. Now, a good example of that is James, who we run a lot of Shopify stores with, and I'll be meeting up with him in Krabi next Saturday, spending a few days with him, and we're trying to open this operation again, open more of an ability to work with more people. So I'm going to put a little link in the description, a bit more information about this. If you want to work with us and our team on Etsy, that's what it's all going to be. It's pretty exciting, it's pretty huge. So talking about all these projects kind of leads up to this question I keep getting asked about balancing lots of different work. Now, just to give you a breakdown, this is kind of what I'm working on at the minute. Developing some software, managing Etsy stores and an Etsy team, managing Shopify stores and a Shopify team, as well as building out new Shopify stores. I'm trying to work really hard on this content. It's pretty fun. I'm having a lot of fun editing it. Just trying to make my boring life filled with 95% work look kind of cool. Working on this new Etsy operation and then traveling and just trying to enjoy life, because it's very hard to blend enjoyment and life with the amount of work that's going on. You always feel like you're falling behind, like you're not doing enough. And, I don't advise anyone new in this to keep working on a whole bunch of different projects. You need to focus on one thing and one thing only, which is exactly what I did at the start. Etsy was the big turning point for us as a business and us for a big income generator, and we just dedicated our whole life to it for years. And you know, if you work on too much, it can lead to huge amounts of burnout, you know, creative fatigue. You need to really find a way to incorporate your life, your enjoyment, your passions, your hobbies, having freedom, but still getting the work you want to get done. And that balancing act is kind of like juggling just so many plates, and you have to really get it refined. But anyway, food's about to arrive. Got this nice refreshing drink. Gonna enjoy this and then get back to work after I've eaten. End of the day now. Need to get this video edited, uploaded, scheduled. It's been a busy one. I'm exhausted. I'm excited to go into this new week now, getting things going, and it makes you realize growth doesn't happen unless you're sat in front of your laptop, in front of your computer, pushing through, getting the work done. It's great to talk about the work, it's great to come up with ideas and plot new things, but it doesn't matter unless you're actually putting in the action to get you to where you want to be, right? And it's just day after day, night after night, put in the hours, put in the days, put in the weeks, put in the months. Be able to look back, and look back at day by day, but you know, month by month. And when you've gone forward 3, 6, 9, 12 months from launching a new thing is when you can really examine it and be proud of the results that it's come in. Because if you're looking at it day by day, it's going to be super, you know, plagued and disoriented. It's not going to meet up with what you want. You know, you don't look at results that way. You've got to look at it at a far greater timeline, especially when you're on to big things. So it doesn't matter what you're working on, what level. Understand that day by day is great. Day by day is there for you to get the work in, but look at the outputs, you know, week by week, month by month. That is where you're going to see the biggest results, the biggest generators, and allow you to see where your time is best spent. But anyway, like I said, I'm exhausted. I need to get some sleep. It's going to be a big week. I'm excited to start this new week with you guys, and I appreciate you watching. Let me know in the comments what you want me to talk about, what you want me to say or help with. I'm more than willing to help you guys with anything. I appreciate you watching, and yeah, join Etsy Mafia, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next week.